We talk to clients all the time about the reason to have insurance and the type of insurance to protect yourself and your family. And first, I want to talk to you about why you want to have insurance and the whole purpose of the insurance industry. First of all, the insurance industry overall, the process of it is they know collisions and accidents and people are going to get hurt. They know that's going to happen. Everybody does. That's why people are paying insurance premiums to begin with. All of us pay insurance premiums month after month, year after year to have that protection. So the whole insurance industry is built on the fact that they know someone is going to get hurt one way or another. And so the industry is designed to make sure that those people are properly compensated for their medical expenses, for their lost wages, for all of the injuries that they have received and their family has received. So that's why insurance is involved to begin with. And so as it relates to automobile coverage, you want to get obviously liability insurance. That's required in every state. So there are state minimums of liability coverage. Usually it's in the $25,000 range is the minimum. But I encourage you to get as much liability insurance as you can afford. But the real insurance that you need is what we call underinsurance coverage. That's optional coverage. So liability coverage, as I mentioned a moment ago, is required. You can't drive a car without it. But underinsured coverage is optional. You can either accept it or reject it. But underinsurance coverage protects you and your family if you've been hurt by someone else who does not have enough coverage. The next type of coverage that people need to investigate and talk to their agent about is uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage in some states is required. In other states, it's optional. But what it does, it protects you and your family if the at-fault driver has no insurance. And unfortunately, there's a lot of people out there who drive around with no insurance. They originally had it, they quit paying the premium, and so now they're out there driving their vehicles and they can hurt somebody and hurt them badly. So uninsured motorist coverage kicks in when the at-fault driver has no insurance. And so I encourage you to call us. We're happy to talk to you about the various types of coverage. Call your local agent and ask them about the types of coverages available. They're a good source, obviously. They'll know how much the premium will be for certain coverages, but you need to buy as much insurance coverage as you can afford. I realize money's tight for everybody, but you have to protect yourself and your family because no one else is going to do it for you. The at-fault driver is not going to protect you. You need to protect yourself.